naming word. Have a look. It names person. It names a person, place, thing, or an animal. It names person, place, thing, or animal. So we use pronoun in the place of these noun. Here I am giving you one example. Suppose for a person, if the person is girl or woman, we will use she. What we will use? We will use she. If the person is a girl or a woman, we will use she. If the person is a boy or man, we will use he. If the person is boy or a man, we will use he. What about place? For place and thing, we will use it. 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 For place or thing, we will use it. For animal also, we will use it. So, for person, she or he. For place, animal or thing, we will use it. Let's do this exercise. Number 1, let's read the heading first of all. Complete these sentences with pronoun in the box. Here, some pronouns are written. We have to complete these blanks by using these pronouns. Number 1, Arun is a good boy. Dash shares his toffee with his friend. In this sentence, we are talking about whom, students? We are talking about Arun. Arun is a good boy that shares his toffee with his friend. So Arun is a boy. For a boy, which pronoun we use? We use he pronoun. So here I will write he. After full stop, first letter of another word should be capital. So here H I written capital. Hina is my sister. Dash is in class 4. Here in this sentence we are talking about Hina. Hina is a noun. So in the place of Hina, what we will write? Which pronoun we will write? We will write she. Because for a girl, we use she pronoun. Number 3, my friend has a kite. Dash is yellow in color. So मेरे friend के पास kite है. Kite is yellow in color. For in a place of kite, which pronoun we will use? Kite is a thing. For a thing, what we use? We use it. So here I will write it. Number 4, the teacher says to Abdul, dash are a good boy, Abdul. Here we are talking about Abdul. A teacher is telling to Abdul, dash are a good boy. You. What we will use here? You. Might be a question is arising in your mind, ma'am. Abdul is a single person. We use is for a single person. Why you have written here are? But students, we use are with you. हम you के साथ are लगाते हैं, इसलिए. Number 5, I am hungry. I am hungry. Can dash have an ice cream? Here I am talking about myself. So what will come in this blank? I am hungry. Can I have an ice cream? As I am feeling hungry, I can have ice cream. So here I have written I.
Now students, have a look on these sentences. I am Suresh. I want to play in the garden. Here students, we use I to refer to the person who is speaking in the sentence. How old are you, Ravi? Second sentence. Can you please help me, Abbas? We use the word you in the place of the name of the person we are speaking to. That means to whom we are talking, we use you there. Suppose if I am talking, I will use I. If I am talking to other person, I will use you.
Students, now have a look on these sentences. Here ma'am have written some sentences. See here now. First one, I am a student. Here, what ma'am use? Am. Whenever we are writing I, we use am with I. हम I के साथ क्या लगाते हैं? What we use with I? Am. We use am with I. You are very kind. With you, what ma'am has written? Here, are. You के साथ are लगता है. With I, we use am always. With you, we use are. हम you के साथ are यूज करते हैं. So students, with he, she and it, what do we use? We use is. We use it. Now students, let's do exercise B. Complete these sentences using the words given in the bracket. Here, I have written some sentences. We have to complete these sentences by using these brackets. So, have a look on first number. This is Mumbai. It dash a big city. Now students, have a look on this. For Mumbai, here I have written it. As Mumbai is a place, so here I have written it for Mumbai. So with it, what we use? Remember, I taught you. We use is for it. It is a big city. Full stop. You dash a very polite child. With you, what we use? We use are with you. So here in the blank, ma'am will write are. I dash hungry. With I, what do we use? We use am with I. So here in the blank, ma'am will write am. I am hungry. Full stop. Number 4. You dash in Miss Mannon's class. With you, what do we use? We use are with you. So here in the blank, ma'am is writing are. You are in Miss Mannon's class. Full stop. Number 5. This is Rahul. Full stop. He dash a good student. With he, what ma'am will use? Ma'am will use is with he. So here in the blank, I will write is. Here students, have a look. As in the sentence, the first sentence, Rahul is written. So here I have written he. Because as Rahul is a boy, ma'am has written he.